Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Future Trader with Mike, and today we're looking at the ES futures. That is the Emini S&P 500. Guys, this is my go-to market that I trade each and every day. Today is the 26th of May. It is Thursday, and it is roughly 9:45 right now, so 15 minutes after the market opened Eastern Standard Time. And for all those that are viewing or here on the channel for the first time, thank you. However you found the channel, I appreciate that you watching, tuning in this morning, and really hope you stay through the entire video because I share valuable information, guys, as I'm trading throughout the day. So this is my live recorded session. You can see me trade the ES futures, guys, and I use a particular strategy, which it's not my strategy, but it's something that simply works for me each and every day. If you go back, you can watch plenty of videos on my channel, plenty of videos where I have my live recorded sessions, guys. I'll show you. And basically, what I do is I'm a price action trader. I trade off supply and demand areas or zones, and I do pullback trading pretty much. So I wait for price to tap into a high volume, not high volume area, but a supply or demand area or zone off the higher time frame, the 60 range chart. And then I scale down to my 12 range chart to see what the market is doing, to see if we're starting to break structure and then moving to the downside. Or excuse me, not moving to the downside, but breaking structure either to the down or upside and then look for the retracement or pullback. Okay. So right now, we'll take a look here at the 60 range chart. But before we get started, guys, I always like to thank everyone who's currently subscribed to the channel and currently those who have also click the little bell icon next to the subscribe button. Make sure you click on that little bell icon next to the subscribe button so that you never miss one of the uploads. So that's the post notifications to make sure that you never miss one of the videos. Each time I drop a video, which is pretty much 5 days a week, you will get real-time notification of the videos that I drop. Okay. So without further ado, and if it's your first time watching the video, guys, please make sure to smash that or hit that thumbs up button, as well as those who have already subscribed to the channel. Please watch the content, hit that thumbs up button, as well as join the team and hit the subscribe button and the post notification bell as well. Also, if you're interested in any highly recommended books about trading, guys, I know a lot of you guys have asked about any books that I would recommend. I have 8 books down in the description portion of this video, which you will find recommended future trading books. So in this video here, this is yesterday's video right here, but in today's video that you're watching right now, if you just scroll down, look in the description portion of the video, click on show more, and you'll see the recommended books right here. There's 8 of them. There's links to each and every one of them. Purchase 1 or 2 of them if you want to purchase all of them, but they're all solid books, guys. To kind of help you build a basis and a foundation to trade in, especially if you're a beginner. But like I always say, it doesn't matter what level of trader you are, whether it's a intermediate, experienced, or beginner level trader. I am always reading. I'm always watching and content, but always reading to kind of broaden my mindset about the trading markets and just different things that I can pick up on. I've been trading the same strategy probably for over the last I'd say last 8 years, guys. It really took me, I've been trading for 10 years now, but it's really took me about a solid 1.5 to 2 years to really get things wrapped under my belt because I didn't have anyone teaching me and showing me things. So I kind of had to puzzle or piece things together mentally for myself. By doing lots of reading, I became better and fine-tuned my trading. And now, as you see, each and every day I profit in the market. So I always have a motto, slogan, however you want to say. You should be green every day and not red. I'm not saying you may not take a losing trade, but yeah, that's what it is. What it is. So let's go ahead and jump into today's video. But yeah, those books you can find down in the description portion. I highly recommend you guys. Highly recommend you to pick up 1 or 2 of the books, guys. It would definitely help you out in your trading. So let's go ahead and get into today's video. And if you haven't watched yesterday's video, go back and watch it. It's titled "Scalping Pullbacks Trade Breakdown." This is day 2 of that segment. Okay, all right. So let's go back and let's go ahead and get started in the live recorded session here of me trading today. And we are in this major swing to the downside right here. So price is pulling back in this major swing where price push down, pull back, and push lower. Pretty much we're tracing or pulling back into it. So my bias right now probably looking for shorts, even though we're kind of moving to the upside here. So, but we can, just as well. The reason why I'm saying that is because we're in this swing right here. So price has a possibility of kind of pausing in any area in this leg right here and rejecting. So we're at a high volume area here on the 60 range chart, and price can reject. I don't see any particular levels, but if you scale down to maybe you're a 24 or 12 range chart, you're going to see some levels here. So, so which price could pause or reject at. So we do have the 40 round, the 40 not round, but hidden pivot area right here or level right here above us. So we'll see what happens. But overnight, yeah, price continued to push higher, breaking and taking out yesterday's high at 39.98, and so we're breaking higher, still making these higher highs and higher lows. So if you look at a let's see if I can show you trend channel, pretty much based on the 60 range chart here, you kind of see this channel that we enter the upside, making higher highs, higher lows, higher high. This is a price did break this low right here, but it didn't come down here and break this major low, okay? But a high, low, high, retracement, price making a low here, and then continue pushing higher, making a high here, pull back, higher high, pull back, higher high. So we're in a channel to the upside off the higher time frame. So could you take a trade long if price pulls back to certain areas? Let's see. Possibly, but I would want to see price kind of pull back maybe in this leg right here, this portion of this leg right here. So basically price pulling back to somewhere in this zone here. So we'll see. Right now, I'm just interested in seeing if price is going to, give us any rejections off of any short opportunities. That's what I'm looking for. So I'm going to look at my 24 range to kind of see what's going on. Go over here. Always got to look to your left. I always say, okay, guys, always look to the left-hand side of your chart. So to me, we may have something possibly right here. Price hasn't tested this little area here. Some selling that took place here off the 24 range now. Price is approaching it. So be mindful. Let me see something. Yeah, so be mindful. This little area right here. Okay. So that is sitting up around 33, 34 area. But price could continue pushing up to the 40 area as well. So then let's see if we have, let's see, push up, pull back. Price pushed higher here. It could also come up to this area here around 55. So we'll take a look and see what happens. Prices on the 24 range, we're above this area right here, so above the high volume area, and we're in this little area right here. So but we're in a low volume area as well. Maybe price will kind of push up and test this small little high volume area within this low volume area. So I'm not sure yet. We'll see. All we're doing is waiting for the rejection though, but I'm looking for opportunity to take, for shorts right now more than anything. So let me look at this again. 28.5. Okay, price is rejecting right now, as you can see it, guys. So right now it's rejecting. We could get a pullback to possibly, I would look up here at around 26.25. So it could, there it is. Be careful though, because I want to see it push maybe just a little bit higher. There it goes. Come on. What in the world is the market doing? I'm in for a short and it's not filling my order. This is the craziest thing ever. Okay, come on. All right, quick little short here, down to this area right here. Okay, market's a little volatile, as you can see it now, racing back and forth. So I went on a little short and I pull back to this area right here off the off the 4 range chart. Notice price breaking structure to downside. So we made a low here, which is support, pull back, broke support, pulled back to this area right here, which is a little small area of supply, and I went short just to get it back down to the lows right here, okay? So it's not going to be for much, but hey, scalping and scalping, right? And that's the way I trade. So, yeah, I was looking for my trade performance, guys. Sorry about that. I don't know what's going on here, but yeah, we're let's see. Today's 26. Trying to get my trade performance up, so please bear with me. Got 8 ticks off that trade right there. So, um, let's see. The market going to continue pushing higher. It possibly could do so. I did mention that level that we have above us, which price is almost there, up there at 35, I think I said. Let me see. 34, 35, 34 area. Somewhere, I would really like to see 35, 36, somewhere above the high volume area. So we'll see. Um, it does a lot. It looks like it's trying to push up there, but we'll wait and see. So right here. Now I got a mark at the bottom of this green candle here, if you can see it right there. But I like to see price come up, push a little bit above, pull up to above the high volume area, and then possibly look for a trade. But yeah, it's definitely edging up there. Not too far away, about 4 or 5 points. Not sure what happened to my recording there, but price is bouncing off a little level off of the 12 range chart. Um, we're not too far away from this area right here at 34, which is that small area I showed you off of the 24 range chart. So we could come up here and get some rejection up here around. I want to see it push above this high volume area though, more so. Tap into this little zone right here, and then push above, kind of hit this area here, and look for some rejection, but I'm not sure. I was talking and thought my recording was on, guys, a little earlier, about a minute or two ago, and I looked down, noticed my recording wasn't on. So, all right, let's see if price is going to reject this area. I'm not sure. Look at the higher time frame. We don't really see anything, right? But if you scale down, you'll see some small little levels on your 24 or 12 range where price can reject that. So be mindful of things like that too. See, market's a little volatile right now. Be careful. Yeah, it's going sideways. So I'm gonna pause. Yeah, we're pretty much tapped into that little area I talked about. You see, almost hitting that red line, maybe like 2 ticks away. So that's that area off the 24 range I just showed you, right here. So let's see what price does. It could push a little higher though, and then reject. So we'll be cautious. Take caution, I say. Hmm. Yeah, I want to see it come down here and break 27. If I'm going to do anything. 27 on a pullback. It hasn't broke it yet, so not yet. Not to me. I mean, price could bounce right here where it just came to and come back down. So be careful here, though. Yep, there it goes. Could be a little short for a few ticks, but I want to see it come down here and break 27, which is this area right here. It's not quite there. Um, hmm, yeah. Okay, let's see what the market does here. Check. Not sure. Gonna hold off. Hmm. Yeah, we're just chopping sideways right here. Hmm. Come on. Look at them a full range. 12 range. You chop it sideways, you can see it just up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. You can see it chopping on the full range too, so not much. Price didn't really do anything. Mm, man, doesn't know what it wants to do, huh? This is where you stand down at and you don't do anything. Marcus just making these little swings up to the upside. We up and up and around. I don't know, some in this area over here. Kind of making little swings, but yeah, I'm just gonna hold off. Uh, hmm. Okay, look like he's still trying to push to the upside. I would like to maybe see it come back down to maybe this area here, below this high volume area down here. It could bounce right here. Yeah, it could bounce right here where it's at and push higher. But I like to see it retrace back, come back to this area here where this red line is at. Ah, looks like I missed it. Did I miss it, guys? Stepped away from the computer. Um, broke higher here. Let's see. Tapped into the area. Okay, we are in the zone off 24 range. Um, okay. Let's see. Trying to refocus here. Do, do, do. Price made a high here. Pull back. Trying to make a higher high. Looks like so. But yeah, we are in the zone on the 24 range, this area right here. So Let's see, price is at 37. Okay, yeah, we're in the area above that high volume area, sitting right here off the 24 range, so we could get some rejection. Okay, let's see. Let's see. I will say right here, if price comes back to 28 and a half, somewhere around there, possibility of looking for something to happen right here below this high volume area. That's why I say, trading with the volume profiles is also a tertiary tool that I use because it really helps me out in my trading. Mm, price is rejecting. It's rejecting a little area right there at the 24 range, like I said. Um, yeah, like maybe trying to push higher, so be careful here. All right, let's see. Uh, 41. Huh. Price has been breaking to the upside, right? Not getting any solid opportunities, to be honest with you. Um, take a look here. Um, yeah, this was a little long opportunity right here. I missed it. Missed it right here. Did it go up there and test it yet? May not be done yet. Could be done. So I better not take this trade. It's already tested this area once right here. So, um, let's see. Yeah, better wait. Bets to wait. Bets to wait. Let's see. Hmm. Not 100% sure yet. Hmm. A little difficult today. Market's just chopping to the upside, not giving me too many, not going to give me much opportunity. So I'm just having to be patient here. All right, market is just keeps breaking hard. Just can't seem to get into any solid trade entries, guys. To be honest with you. Um, I got this area here marked just in case price pulls back to it, but nah, nothing, nothing. Okay, not sure. About to wait it out here. Going to wait it out. Let's see here. Hold on a minute. Let's see. Nothing yet. I'm gonna wait it out. Let's see. Mm, all right, let's see if I could get a pull back to this area down here, maybe. Right that area yet? Yeah. Let's see if I can get a pullback. Kind of iffy situation because we got the VPOC sitting right here. This is taking me a little longer today. I'm not, ah, yeah, today's a little difficult for me for some reason. But we're dead smack at the VPOC, and I'm not comfortable trading around this area, guys. Um, hmm. Yeah, not too comfortable trading at the VPOC, but all right. Hmm. We're tapping into that zone down the 12 range chart. You can see. So we have tapped into the zone, guys. What's the market gonna do? Push higher? Let's see. I'm late on the trade. Late on the trade. Late on the trade, guys. Come on, baby. Come on. There we go. All right. So the zone, tapped into the zone, pull back, close of the candle, go short. Okay. Back down to this area down here. Okay, towards the lows. Okay. So 8 ticks on the first trade. Second trade is picking up nine quick ticks there, and some up 17 ticks. Okay. All right. Well, guys, I'm gonna take a pause here for a moment and take a quick little break here, probably. Let's see. Sell as. I'm gonna scalp this bad boy. Ah, look at it. Come on. Okay. Just gonna scalp here. Just scalping. There we go. All right. Let's see what we got there. Okay. 8 ticks, 8 more ticks there. Okay, so I'm up 25 ticks right now. Price probably gonna come down here like it's doing. So that was a rejection. Pull back, go short again. All right, looks like we may be trying to still in the zone. Maybe trying to break higher, possibly. But price to reject this area. Come down here and test the lows, guys. That's how you do it. Okay. Um, so if you look at it from the full range perspective, right here at 1040, which was right here on the full range, it came down here, tested quite almost to the lows down here. This would be the lowest point on this pullback right here. So this would be right here at the top end of this red candle at 32. So um, could be trying to push higher now. So we'll see. Um, let's see. So we'll see. 60 range. I'm looking at 24 range real quick. Having a pause in between, guys. I have a couple things I'm working on outside of looking at the market this morning. So we could. Let me see. Take a look at this again before I start speaking on it. Yeah, we could get a break to the upside here. Price run up here and test um, this area right here. This red line is at. So possibly I would expect for it to push a little higher, maybe 55, 57 area. If there's going to be any rejection, we haven't tested this area yet, so that's one thing to be mindful of. Price has already tested a area, say of supply and demand. Once I'm very mindful and very mindful about trading it again if price taps into it again. So meaning if price pulls back to it for a second time, rejection, and it rejects it. Well, if it rejects it, it's one thing, but I have to see clear confirmation on the second um, test of that zone. See, price already tested it one. See right here, price pushed up. This is a rejection right here. Well, price pushes up, breaks back lower. What is it doing? Okay, it's taking out structure. Okay, taking out structure. This is the demand, excuse me, the supply zone. Price pulls back into it, closes the red candle. That's clear rejection. Go short. Price pulling back into it again. I'm careful now, mindful, about a situation like this to take a trade short again. Okay, so you see what I'm saying? So far, like the price is still trying to break higher, push into it, and we're a second time, and it's still trying to break higher. So be careful about that, situations like this. I do have a zone marked up here, like I showed you in 24 range, up here around the. Well, we have a half number coming up, approaching above. This is the 40 area. Price did, I think we bounced here. Uh, Yeah, we bounced here. So above us, we have that 50 area, 50 round number with a zone sitting here. So be careful when price gets up there. Could be possibility of rejection in that area. All right, so we are good 24 range. I think we're approaching that area I talked about. Yeah, we're hitting that zone. Um, okay, the half. It's also a half number too. So it's at 50. Yeah, we're already tapping into it. Okay, so let's see. Uh-huh. Yeah, let's see. Mm. Okay, all right, let's see. I was looking for price to come up a little higher, but let's see. projecting that area I told you off the 24 range. Yeah, so far it's projecting it. Yeah, looking for see price come back a little. Uh, Close this trade out. Close it out. I don't think price is ready yet. Let's see. I'm gonna go short here, guys. Just for a quick little. What's going on? What in the world is going on? Jesus. Just gonna scalp. Try to scalp this area real quick. Ah, it's pushing higher. Only. It's not what I want to see. I need to see the rejection right here, but it didn't do it. Come on, push lower. There we come on. Ah, okay, I got filled there. I was looking for it to come back down this area right here, the lows right here. I needed to see it break. Yeah, I got in too early. It's okay. All right, just scalping along. Not the best of days, but 4 ticks there. Ain't much there. 29 ticks right now. So just scalping along, trying to see what what's gonna happen today. Look at it running lower now. All right. Rejected that area I told you about in the 24 range. Little small area right here. Let's see if we can get a pull back to this area right here above the high volume node. Maybe I take a little quick scalp, micro range trading. We'll see. Just back down to the lows. Ah, it's already. Look at it. Look at her. She's already there. Come on. 75. Ah. I'm gonna scout real quick. Ah, come on. Dang it. 45.75. It already hit that area. Trading too close. Okay. All right. There we go. Okay, got filled. A little pullback, just a little zone, just a few ticks away, but I'm taking it back down to the lows right here. Okay. Quick little 5 ticks right there. 34 ticks. Excuse me. Yeah. There goes the rejection right here. There it is. This is the rejection. Going for 2 here. I mean, going for a few ticks. Come on. Ah, look at that. What in the world? Come on, baby. Playing around with me. Hmm. playing around with me. All right, right here, you can come back down to the low. Look at it, see the area right there was hitting that? What I tell you, called it. All right, I chickened out and got out because price is pulling back, balancing too much for me, so I just went ahead and got out. Man, I'm just scalping today, guys. A few ticks here and there. It's not much, but you know, 4 ticks on a little trade. Micro range scalping right here. Okay, look at it. See, we got it on short right here. Take it back down to the lows. I should have stayed into it and picked up another point and a half probably. So 4 ticks there, 38 right now. So 38 ticks. But yeah, this right here was a zone off the 12 if you trade off the 12. But be mindful of this pullback, okay? Because even if you get into it, this by the time this candle closes below at 47 and a quarter, guys, you're already back down to the lows right here already. So that's why I switched over and started looking at my 4 range because I knew I would have, you know, I could see trade a little micro swings and have a little bit more opportunity. So if I was trading off the 12 range right here, price came up here, rejected, broke lower, meaning kind of breaking into structure, and then it pulls back right here. And if I'm trading off the 12 range, I normally wait for a candle break, right? Candle to break to the downside here if I'm going short. Well, if I do that, I'm right here at the lows. So I wouldn't take that trade if I was trading off the 12 range. That's why I switched over and started looking at my 4 range. And that's the beauty about trading with the, you know, either the 12 or the 4. I mean, you know, you can be versatile with it, you know, depending on how the market's moving. And, you know, you can see the market's moving just like today. It's just been chopping to the upside. So you don't have too much opportunity here. So no big swings like this right here. Market is chopping to the upside. I'm trying to take what I can take. You know, pullbacks. The market opened up around this area right here, and then it just started making these small little chops to the upside. All right. So let's see. Yeah, so the market could, let's see. I would like it could possibly come back to this area right here. A market, this is off the 4 range now, off the 4 range, right here, to this area right here. If it does, you can look for a little entry, maybe to go short, but be mindful. If you go short here, and the price gets back up to this area here, your short is going to be from, you know, the close of this box at the bottom end of it here at 49, back down to 47. So you're looking at maybe a point and a half, 2 points tops, maybe. So let's see. So I'm talking about a retracement back to this area right here. Price rejected, go short to this area right here, or it could push a little lower, but that would be if price gets back to this area. I'm gonna pause here, guys. I may miss this trade, but I'm gonna pause here because I got to take care of something right quick. See, guys, I missed it. I stepped away. Price came back. Where was it at? Right here at 11:31. That was on my chart. Yep, right here. This is the short right here. Okay, take that short right there. I missed it. All right, I mentioned it. Price pull back. You go short. Okay, so let me see. Dun, 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 dun. Yeah. Um, let me see something here. Uh, price push a little higher here. Hmm. Uh, okay, I'm short. Maybe not that far down. I don't know if price is done yet, to be honest with you. Okay, I'll try to get a feel here on this trade here. Price good. Could come up and test this area right here at 47 and a quarter. So I might be early on this trade. Look at it. I'm gonna go ahead and scalp. Okay, there we go. All right, I'm gonna scalp it just back down to this area right here. Okay, so okay, okay, I'm up right now. I'm up 44 ticks, and I'm probably gonna call it, guys. But yeah, I stepped away. I already called it out to you guys before it even happened. I said, what if price retrace back to this area right here, rejects it, go short. Why? Because when price rejected up here at the top, so you can see it right here. Okay, I mentioned around the 50 area, 52, somewhere around there. Price rejected it, pushed down. Okay, all right. Price break into this area structure and breaking structure on the downside. Low, lower high, breaking support, lower low, lower high, breaks, lower low. Okay, so it's breaking through this area structure. Now, price has not come back and tested this zone, this area of supply tucked within this swing to the downside right here. Okay, not yet. This was the first test right here when price pulled back. I mentioned it when price is right here. I said the price comes back to this area before I took a short little break because I had to take care of something. I said price reject this area, close below the blocks, go short. I would have taken a short at least to this area right here, but it came, you could have possibly taken it down to this area right here to the low. Okay. So I think I'm gonna wrap it up today, guys, for right now. And if you're trading, please, yeah, please be safe in the market, guys. Please, please be safe in the market. And that's gonna do it for me today. First-time viewers and first-time watcher, hopefully found some value in the content. And if you don't mind, hit the subscribe button. Join the team here. And like I said, I trade 5 days a week, guys. I'm a price action trader. I like to trade simply, basically my strategy is trading supply and demand. And that's going to pretty much be it, guys. And make sure, guys, drop a like, hit the like button for me, and if you want to, leave a comment. But also check out those books in the description below, guys. I'm telling you, I've been doing this for 10 years now, and if you're looking to become successful, you have to do some homework. You have to do some reading. You just can't get into trading. I think a lot of traders think that people think in general they can jump into trading and they're going to be overnight success. That's not how it works. You have to learn the fundamentals of trading, the fundamentals of the markets, and then you have to start building, understanding technical analysis. There's just things you have to steps you have to take to get to the trading. You have to build a solid trading plan, which includes a strategy. You have to be able to control and understand your psychology. It's even trading, right for me. So with all that said, guys, please, please take your time when you're trading, guys, and be patient and educate yourself. And I listed 8 books down below in the description portion of the video. At least pick up one, guys. Pick up one that will, all of them are great books. I mean, I've read them all, and they're great books. So please check out one of them. And you probably want to, after reading that one, you probably want to jump into another one and purchase another one, so you'll see how good each book is. I'll see you guys tomorrow in the next video, and next week, Monday, is no trading. So, yeah, we're going to wrap it up tomorrow for the week. Take care. See you in the next one.